Good morning. My name is Acharya Alok Lodi. I am from Acharya ISCI Mahara Center, and I am an educationist, socialist, and I have keen interest in new developments. Apart from it, I like playing cricket, watching cricket, and learning new things and studying books. So आज हम बात करेंगे. Today we will talk about the changing patterns of jobs, changing criteria of interviews and all. So what is the changing pattern of jobs today in today worlds? As we know, AI is just spreading their wings day by day, and by AI in human comparison, AI is just doing 1,000 hours or work in seconds. So it is very necessary to keep yourself upgrade and how to do it. So we have to be very careful about your approach while we are giving interviews. And if we are working in companies like multiple companies, then you have to be multilingual. What happens? AI is right now. AI is not able to convince the customers. So whenever the conversation part comes in the play, like to to discuss things with the clients, to talk to our customer, it is very important to human being or a job person or a person who is working that company is very good and effective communication skills. So this is very necessary to be very good at what we are speaking, what we are saying to the customer, and everyone in this era is very knowledgeable. They know how you are reacting. They will listen to your voice, and they will just caught you that you are rude or not. So in the message, when you are typing the message, you are writing an email, or you are conversing with someone, it is very important to have communication skills upgrade. So how to do it? Be very effective, be very knowledgeable about what is going around the world, what is going to the what is happening in India, what is happening outside of India, what the companies are doing. It is very important to keep an eagle eye on these events. Current affairs are very important. Even though you are not preparing for UPSC, you are not giving any government exam, but it is very important for your company's health, your progress. It is very important to keep your eyes on the events, movies, what is going on in market, everything. You have to be very proactive because this is the age of AI, artificial intelligence. If you are not very keen to learn, very keen to produce, very keen to absorb the knowledge, you would be left out. So for rural areas, I would like to say that if you are in first year or inter, or you are preparing for some examination, then you have to be very fluent with English, very fluent with vocabulary and other languages as well. Nowadays, if you want to do work in foreign, then you have to be very good in first language is English, then German, French, and other languages as well. So don't limit yourself to a particular, particular particular balloon, particular work space. Keep your eye open and keep exploring, read books and read newspaper if you get time. If you don't get time, then just download the newspaper and be very active in this corporate world, because once you behind with your colleagues, once you behind with your uh, competitors, corporates world will leave you like just like uh, fly in the ghee. So be uh, good, be health conscious, be reading approach, make your timetable, and win the world. Thank you.